Jewelry making is so much fun. I know that I can work into the wee hours of the morning when I'm really into a project, but it can also be really hard on your eyes and your hands. So it's really important to protect yourself. Hi, I'm Patty, a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. And today we're going to be looking at 4 tools that will really help you save your hands and your eyesight.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Proper lighting. Proper lighting is really important in jewelry making. It helps reduce eye strain that can come about from intense use and low light. It also helps you see your work properly for more precise results. So let me show you the Desk Bright 300 lamp. This lamp has this really great 2x magnification lens right over close light. And when you have magnification with close light, you will really notice the difference in being able to see your work over just having overhead lighting. It also has 4 special LED bulbs that are brighter than normal LED bulbs for better illumination. Magnifiers. Magnifiers help you avoid eye strain and see the very smallest details of your work, because in jewelry, millimeters count. This lighted magnifier is wearable, and it has a light on it, so it is directed wherever you're looking. The Magna Clip comes in +2 to +5 magnifications. It's lightweight, easy to use, and clips right on to your own glasses. I'm going to go ahead and clip it right onto my frame. Put them on. It really helps you see what's right in front of you very well. And you can just wear them all the time when you're working if you want, because when you're not using it, you just flip it up out of the way. Third hand. Ever want an extra hand when you're doing something tricky or very delicate in jewelry making? Well, here it is. This tool is so great for soldering, gluing, suspending enameling trivets, holding stringing material, and keeping your hands free in so many ways. This third hand with magnifier has secure alligator clips that really hold tightly. It's got a weighted base that stays in place, and it's great for counterbalancing. Each component swivels 360 degrees, and all are removable so you can customize it for your project. Finger guards. Jewelry making can be really hard on your hands, especially the delicate skin on your fingers. And protecting them will really help you work longer and keep your hands nice, which is important to me. This GuardTex finger wrap is a 1-inch fabric wrap that adheres to itself. It molds really closely to your fingers to preserve sensitivity so you can still feel your work. It's excellent for filing metalwork and for working with adhesives. It keeps your fingers and nails safe and clean. It stays for a really long time. I have even went and washed my hands with this on my hands and continued working. It is fantastic. I hope the 4 hand and eye saving tools that we've talked about today will really help you in your jewelry making journey. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. Links for that and to the tools we've shown today are in the description box below. See you next time.